You guys, like, this makeup is so good. Like, this is no filter. This is just my makeup. I'm sorry about it. Oh my goodness. I think the contact lens is really like almost everything, but this face is 7, okay? Humble yourself before the Lord and he will lift you up. James 4 verse 10. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Queen Blessing. Today I'm creating this makeup look and I thought to share with you guys. I'm starting off with my brows, and the brow gel that I'm using is by Wet n Wild. I really like this products, guys, and I got it for just $1.25. So hurry to your dollar store in case if you find it. It gives me this flawless finish and I'm able to just create my brows without having to apply too much of eye pencil to define my brows. I kind of like the natural look now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you're feeling the natural look. And then I'm just going in with the brow pencil by Classic Makeup over there. I'm literally just feeling the ends of my brows. I'm not feeling everything because I don't want it to be too wide or too big. These days I just want to look natural, okay? That's a period. I just want to look natural. So I'm feeling the brows, and I think that method of doing my brows is one that I really like. I just love it. Going ahead, I'm using the concealer to clean off the brows and just to define it better. I'm using this one by O. I don't know what else to call it, guys. The name of the brand is O, period. And it works for me. It gives me this kind of effect like the regular Eligo Pro, but it's just that this one is a lighter consistency. So these days I only just like highlights under my brows. I usually don't do the top anymore because, like I said, with Team Natural now, I'm trying to make my makeup look as natural and glam as possible. So I just pack on all the concealer under the brow, but I usually don't put at the top of the brow. If I have any mistake, I just use a cotton Q-tip to clean it up, and that is it. So right now I'm just going in with my concealer brush and just blending out the concealer to make it pop. Okay. Blend. And you can see how flawless that looks already. Yes, I'm feeling myself. Next, we're going in with the eyeshadow base. I'm using this one by Classic Makeup, and I'm applying my eyeshadow right now. I'm not doing anything major. I just want to have a flawless bit. I really don't have any explanation for this eyeshadow. I just usually use like 2 or 3 colors, and yeah, now I'm going in with my wing liner. I like to make my wing really soft sometimes. I like the dramatic one, don't get me wrong, but most times I like it just simple. Then I'm going in with my mascara over there and popping on my lashes. You all know that teenager lashes, right? Like, your lashes is the icing on the cake of your makeup. Your lashes needs to be popping. Now it's time to beat the face. So I'm going in with this Benefit primer. I'm applying it all over my face. Make sure you blend your primer in properly, that it sits into your skin. For me, I like to go in with the orange corrector because I still have some discoloration, and usually this helps to take away all those discoloration and just gives you a flawless canvas to work on, apply your makeup. I blend this in, and then just make sure it blends nicely into my skin. You guys know that blending is very essential to your makeup. If you don't blend well, it's going to show up that your makeup is crusty. So make sure you blend, blend, blend. Don't be tired of blending your makeup. Now it's time to apply the foundation, and I'm using this one by Classic. It's a 2-in-1 powder set. It comes with the cream powder and the regular pressed powder. So I'm just using that to, with my brush to pat into my skin to ensure that everywhere is covered. I love this cream foundation because it looks really, really natural and just blends seamlessly into my skin. And I think if you have dry skin, you want to try out using the cream foundation. You can see the effects that I'm getting already. Everything is looking nice and juicy. Yes. Another hack that I started doing recently is going in with my setting spray after I apply my foundation. That really helps to keep the makeup intact and it's not going to move anywhere. So now we're just going with the regular LA Girl Pro concealer in Fun, and I'm just using that to highlight my face, so we bring the beauty in. Okay, highlighting is the glamming of your makeup, ladies. Always highlight and contour, it's very important. We're going in with this Born This Way concealer to add extra, brightness under my eye and to cover any bags or imperfection that is left. I like doing this method because it just gives, it just really, really lifts under your eye and gives you that glow and brightness. It doesn't look like you're just waking up from your sleep, if you get where I'm coming from. And I'm using this contour stick by Black Radiance to just contour my face. Ladies, contour and highlights is the key to any perfect makeup. Trust me, you need to do this always to your makeup to get that flawless bit. So let's chat. Can you tell me in the comment section which concealer products, like your favorite products to use for highlights and contouring? You guys should suggest to me in the comment section. Now going ahead, I'm just blending in the concealer. You can see that I'm just using a small brush there to pat it in because I don't want this product to move. I want it to stay exactly where I want it to stay, and that's on period. So I'm using that brush to just blend it in, and then I'm going in with an angled brush to blend in the contour that I put on earlier on. And this whole process is a long process, but it just makes a world of difference to your entire makeup look. Next step is to set your concealer, and I'm using this all-time favorite Session Buttercup powder, loose powder. That's what I'm using to set my concealer. You guys, I'm sure you noticed that what I'm doing for the most part is just tapping in the product. Okay, that is the whole idea. Just tap it in. You don't need to do too much. Just tap, 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 tap. Also going ahead to set the contour with the contour palette that I have with me. This serves also as a bronzer, so I just use it to add some flare to my face. Then I'm going in with this blush set to add some color, and I want you guys to observe that I am putting everything towards the upper part of my cheekbone and not necessarily on my face, because doing this will help to keep your face looking lifted rather than round and full. especially if you have a round face. Okay, the whole idea is for us to be snatched. Now I'm finishing off with this mineralized powder by Classic Makeup. I was struggling to open it there. I'm just going to use that to blend everything in, ladies. Just blend everything in, and just to, just add the finishing touches to the entire look. Next thing I'm doing is applying mascara to my lower lashes. I love doing this because it helps to open up my eyes. And then I found this new hack about using tweezers to define your lower lashes that I'm going to show you guys in a bit. I really love that method because it made a world of difference after applying the mascara to my lashes. So I'm going once again to use my brow gel to define my brows. After applying all that makeup, sometimes it tends to dull the look of the brows. So I just use the brow gel to redefine my brows. Me doing this is the best part of my makeup, like applying the setting spray, because I know that my face is about to be lit. So I'm going in with my lip color. I'm not using the lip liner today. I'm using this Jumbo lipstick by Ruby Kisses to line my lips. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with my lip color, a matte lipstick, liquid lipstick that I'll be using. I'm going to list all the products in the description box, guys, so you guys can check that out. And voila, this is the final look, ladies. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I think this look is fire. I got dressed up for my content creation, and this is what I look like. If you want to see how I installed this ponytail, you can check my YouTube shorts to see the video on how I installed this ponytail look. And yes, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.